Chuck, what the hell you doing over here, man? You have to tap that. This is what happens when somebody puts on Loctite on the outer, what are those?
Derby cover.
Derby covers. We didn't do this, but we trying to solve this. And this is not going to be an easy task, y'all.
It ain't gonna be a pretty sight.
It ain't going to be a pretty sight.
It's gonna be an overnighter.
I was going to take a ball peen hammer, but he wouldn't let me do it. So, you know.
I'm gonna cut a hole in the second.
Cut a hole into it.
Drill a hole in the top, pour the fluid in.
Okay.
And silicone.
Silicone it back together, yeah. Whoa! What, did it break free cap?
No.
Oh.
Left it loose, right to tight.
We got one off. We got all the torch. We got all the tools out. All the possible man technology here.
Oh shit! I can't even do that.
What?
Son of a bitch! Can't even drill a hole in.
If you drill a hole in it, if you were to drill a hole, you would end up putting all metal shards in the damn in the primer. That's no good. You need to tap the hammer and let me get down there with you, man. I'll be back, y'all.
What the fuck is up with that, dude?
I don't know, Cap. Try this one right here.
Man, who puts them on that tight?
We running out of options here, player. Yeah, see, we got that one.
Got two of them.
Got two. One, you got him flat, get him bottomed out in there, yeah.
Yeah, he bottomed out.
Okay, got three. Come on, Cap. Make sure we bottom out. If we need to tap it down if necessary. Make him see a little better in there. Cause you wiggly. Tap him down a little bit. Alright, push down and twist. Want to put some heat on these too?
Fuck, man, these motherfuckers, boy.
I say put some heat on these.
Yeah, fuck it, let's put some heat on.
Melt both these bitches in.
Oh, but you know what? I can get to the other side too.
The other side ain't nothing on the back of it.
Wait. I know, but I can get to where the threads is at.
Can't see the threads.
It don't matter.
You can heat that
but
whole area
up. But I can heat that whole area up.
Okay, yeah.
These two, huh?
Break that Loctite free. Just let it sit on there, Cap.
We got Loctite on there, man.
Fire on that one. Let's try it again. Oh yeah. Shit. Okay, got one more to go. One more to go. All right now.
What we gonna do?
We in here, y'all, and someone, previous owner, shop, whatever, they went with the Loctite. What happened, Cap? We tried to get him out with the Loctite. That shit did not cooperate.
On the stars.
On the stars. Who gonna put red Loctite on T whatever stars? Don't make no goddamn sense.
Don't do that.
Don't do it, y'all. We done broke out a torch. We done grinded off some shit. You know, I be giving y'all the how-tos and the how-nots.
Don't put Loctite on those. You don't need it.
Stay tuned.
Let's go. Got it. We rolling.
The camera ain't even that heavy.
Walk this way.
Let's see what's going on back here.
Walk this way. Talk this
We've been in the corner. Oh, we've been get a combo to the safe.
Now, if he wasn't a homie, I'd be like, I don't know you. But since he's a homie, we're gonna have to figure this shit out. I can't leave a man down.
That's the burglar alarm right there. You know what I'm saying? If you see them broken, that means somebody been in there.
Y'all disregard what y'all seeing right here.
Woo, I'm coming for that.
Public view. I can edit this out later on. Let me see. Take this one.
Oh, one bundle,
Take that.
two bundles.
That.
He's deep off up in here.
Oh, he's deep in here.
But he know where his stuff at.
I got an idea. Okay.
Is that a header? No, that's a rear end.
Rear end.
No, I see gas tanks.
There. There. We're getting closer, y'all.
I spy some inner fenders right there. Ooh, brand new people.
He got roller skates up in there.
Roller skates, nigga, God.
You got a gas tank.
Bang!
Out.
Primary.
There you go.
Woo!
Back in the game. That shit look brand spanking new.
Oh, man.
I gotta take all that off.
You gotta take all that shit back off and get clear. That's your option. There ain't no option.
Yeah, that ain't, yeah.
You gotta get rid of pimp stripe because you don't do gaskets.
I ain't worried about it. Just gonna take it off, put it right back together.
Exactly. So get it going. Wait, let's put this back here.
You gotta help put it back, man.
Well, that's a come up, baby. That's love.
Oh, you fucking with Money Car Stereo. It ain't free.
Board for out.
Nigga, it ain't free.
Put somebody on the board.
I'll put you on the board. Cap got it out.
Something living in there?
Where?
That motherfucker shaking.
That's a possum.
No, that's open and see what's in there. I don't know.
Something in there.
Oh, that's the pumpkin to the rear end.
Oh, okay. That motherfucker shaking like it was something moving in live. I was
It's
like,
like, oh shit.
you got a dog in there or something?
I'm surprised he ain't.
Oh!
Come on, man. Be safe, man. Can't have no ocean mistakes over here, baby. You good right? Just slide on top of that.
Bro, got a nice size yard back here,
Look.
man. Why you always working in the garage when you got
Hey, if you fall, Nick, you gotta take off the uniform. It wasn't on the job.
Hit stop.
Do we got some gaskets here?
Ain't worry about that. This is Money's Car Stereo / Perkins Automotive.
Now,
When in doubt, bam, pull this one out. Problem solved. Money's Car Stereo. Finna get in the mission.
now, question
You
is,
can't say I know somebody. That's me.
he had just
Rob ain't got no funnel, that's strange.
no, he,
Fun that.
yeah, for it.
Don't take no special fun. You can get it.
Then it stripped all the bolts out.
Yeah, you see that?
Oh, wow.
I saw
Had to put a whole new primary on that shit.
You jumped on it?
You need to take a picture of that.
I was just
Oh,
saying that.
look, Rob gonna post him. We got him on tape.
Siamese cat jumped on my